because the only vehicle in the street was still had snow on it. Because if it snows, I don't go out. There's no reason to go out. So I don't go out whatsoever. I stay home in the freaking warm these days. I'm too old for that sort of shit. And then you run the risk of sliding into somebody else, or somebody else sliding into you. So I find it better to stay at home, mind your own freaking business in the warm. So I'm doing a dash cam now nearly every day. I'm not uploading it because I purely want to see, or let you see, there's some real bad drivers in the Newport area. So we're just gonna aim the camera at them, if you know what I mean. Especially at, like, traffic lights, you know. See what anything happens here. No. We get one hell of a lot of lane hoggers. They will not get out of the fast lane. They'll stay in the fast lane doing 30 mile an hour when it's supposed to be 50 mile an hour. But because they want to turn right 4 miles time, they'll stay in that lane right to their turn off, which is a bloody pain in the butt. I gotta pop into Jason's on the way back. Give him a little present. This is a notorious set of traffic lights. Tunes. And a nice place to build houses by there, look. Get people walking up over this bridge and they can see straight into your bedroom. Fast lane, 50 mile an hour. Undertaking is legal if you're doing the speed limit. So I was doing 50, she was doing 30, so it's quite legal to overtake. And off. So one hand in the pocket. These are typical. Apparently there's a thing called steel forging. A TV. Okay. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's like it's the same as Scrap Heap Challenge, yeah, but it's for all age group blacksmith. Oh, right. And they Robert was telling me they got like a bin of things, bits hanging out. You got whatever you pull out is what you got to use to make a knife. Oh,
I know the program you're on about. It's like competition blacksmithing or something like that.
Yeah.
What else did you do?
I might have a bin. We'll have to fast forward this one. I don't know about you, but this weather, the sun is out, look, but it's freezing. It just shuts me down. I can't even, my brain won't even think in this weather. Apparently I was told by Uncle Wayne Ellis, if you get caught using a mobile phone now, it's an instant 3-month ban. Instant, on the spot. So I don't understand that, on the spot. What does that mean? You gotta like walk home, or you gotta pack up and just get out? And even according to Wayne, if you're parked and your engine's running and you're using a mobile phone, it's still exactly the same punishment. So I don't know, I listen to everybody, but he said it was passed in the House of Lords. It was passed in the House of Lords, and it's in effect. Because that fella just passed me was on his phone, so do these people know? But I reckon if I turn the camera a bit more that way, when we're in a traffic jam or when we're cruising, which I usually cruise, you know I'm not a nutter. I reckon you see loads of people on phones because they don't think the law applies to them. They think they can do what the hell they like, which is okay. It's a big one. So you never know. You never know who's using their phones and who's not using their phones. And new laws. Obviously, I think it's well time we had new laws on a lot of things. On a lot of things. Because the punishment for the crime is not right now. It's just not right. Three months in prison for robbing some old granny, you know? It's just not right. There's the houses, look. See the houses? Right on the bridge. There's the river. The River Usk. So, obviously, you can't use a phone. What about a camera? You just don't know. You just don't know. There's people sitting in little offices. People sitting in little offices thinking of ways. What the fuck? Thinking of ways. He did hit the curb. Thinking of ways to get more money off you. So, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? This world is all about money. I don't trust this fella in front of me. Right, he's in this lane, but he goes around there. Fucking plum. I don't know. It's all about money today. Whatever you do, it's all about money. Oh, I don't do it for the money. Bullshit. Yeah, baby. It's like the person next to me in the car is looking at me thinking, that fella's a nutter over there, he's talking to his fucking self. Well, you're right on 5 accounts. But it's worth knowing. worth knowing these things. Hates it when an old thing like this gets in front of them. So they gotta like put their foot down to get back in front. I mean, for an old thing, this is pretty quick off its feet. Glad to get home. I can't work in this sort of weather, man. It fucking kills me. I might go to the shed. I might go to the shed now and start putting together my forge. I've got most of the parts now. Apart from that, it can wait. Just stood there. Where did they get that habit from? Because that is a real bad habit, isn't it? Spitting for no reason at all. Just you got to walk 5 foot and spit. Walk 5 foot and spit. Fucking llama. Come on in, lads. Just keep it moving, yeah. Anyway, we're home. The clouds are looking great. If you were a drone flyer, you could be out flying your drone. You'd have to be a fucking nutter. See the clouds? Lovely today. You'd have to be a nutter to be flying a drone today. Open that door and honest to God, it's cold. Not only that, I'm fucking starving. I'm fucking starving. I might have to start driving Betsy again. That was a good van. I liked that van. I was alright. Nothing wrong with it.